Exercise 177. Okay, be ready. Start. For the first time in the history of the company, said the speaker, we have to report an adverse balance. In the first instance, we have had a serious strike at the works, but you will be glad to know that all disputes have been amicably settled. In the next place, we have had some very heavy law expenses with reference to our existing patents and with reference to which a statement appears in the report. In the last place, our annual turnover has not been up to expectations, though, by the way, it slightly exceeds the figures of last year. You will be glad to hear that our new manager has introduced several excellent reforms which will bear fruit in the near future. It would be out of place for me in the short space of time at any disposal to try to go fully into the details of the accounts. Moreover, we expect to receive very shortly a further report from the auditors having regard to the present state of affairs, and in consequence of certain criticisms, we think it best under the circumstances to have an independent investigation, and the auditors have been asked to give a frank expression of opinion in reference to the affairs of the company. The position is a difficult one. On the one hand, we are told that as a matter of course, the business ought to be prosperous, yet, as a matter of fact, the contrary is the case. What is the matter? We hope to hear from the auditors who are looking into the matter and who are expected to report in a few days. Stop. 77. For the first time. For the first time. In the first instance. In the first instance. You will be glad to know that. You will be glad to know that. Has not been. Has not been. You will be glad to hear. You will be glad to hear. In the near future. In the near future. We expect to receive. We expect to receive